Hi everyone. Today's presentation on DAISY is about how passive income meets AI trading and equity crowdfunding. DAISY has had over 600% gains in total compounding growth in only 9 months. And by the end of this presentation, you will discover how it's possible to achieve this and how you can get access to this AI-powered passive income. Of course, we must pause on a disclaimer. Participating needs to be at your own risk with capital that you are comfortable with. This is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. What we're going to talk about today is a next generation crypto and Forex AI trading. We're going to look at trading performance and DAISY's track record. We're going to look at Dr. Anna Becker, her bio and credibility, and also the company that she founded and is the CEO of, Endotech. We're going to look at their vision and what the DAISY program is all about and how it also benefits you, especially in terms of equity and passive income ROI percentage. We're then going to look at the DAISY crowdfunding model and how it works. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at the onboarding process with a step-by-step video guide that will be available to you. Now imagine what's possible. What if you could earn reliable compounding profits through fully audited systems? Well, you can do just that with next generation AI trading that DAISY offers. It's never been done before, and it uses AI to take existing successful trading systems to the next level. And the goal here is to create the #1 AI trading performance in all major markets. This technology is being developed by Endotech, a breakthrough AI company founded and led by Dr. Anna Becker, and was previously only available to quant hedge funds and large institutional investors, but it's now available to the masses. And specifically with the Forex AI, it fully launched in April of 2022, and it uses high-frequency trading, which averages between 5 to 8% a week, with new AI strategies in constant development. And as we had just touched upon, over 600% profits in just 9 months. This technology is developed by Dr. Anna Becker and her team of over 20 quant scientists. And the Forex AI uses diversified trading strategies such as scalp, intraday, and swing trading, while also incorporating intensive multi-layered risk management. And what I mean by that is that the scalp, intraday, and swing trading strategies are all segmented into separate accounts. Then there's further segmentation within each asset. The trading fund comprises of about 50% precious metals, for example, specifically gold and silver, and the other 50% is the major Forex currency pairs. Then each trading fund, for example, gold, has its own gold sub-account. And then its trading strategies are further separated into sub-accounts, making it layered risk management. So this means that if one particular strategy or one trade goes a different direction than anticipated, it will not affect the entire fund. There's lots of risk management involved at the core of the AI trading strategies, and it's one of Dr. Anna Becker's key priorities. We've also seen less than 15% drawdown overall in the entire fund. And they also use 1 to 50 leverage and as low as 1 to 10 leverage, depending on how volatile the circumstance may be, or maybe if a strategy is not working out as planned, or a specific trading pair is being volatile. So let's meet Dr. Anna Becker, Endotech's CEO and founder. Her team of AI scientists have more than 20 proprietary systems in operation and serve as the AI investing backbone of trading at more than 150 investment firms across the US, Europe, and Asia. And at the age of 20, she found an approximation algorithm by a factor of 2, which now has worldwide applications in operating and database systems. She has a PhD in artificial intelligence from the Technion Institute and has founded and sold several AI companies in the fintech space. She's recognized for over 25 years as a pioneer and leading scientist in the field of AI and financial tech. Her publications have been distributed and integrated into many of the leading AI financial circles across Europe and America. and her deep learning algorithms manage over $1 billion of investments, assets under management, and have been deployed in managing institutional monies for more than a decade. So as you can see, she's highly accomplished and established in the AI sphere, and we're in the most capable hands in this trading fund. Now let's talk about her company, Endotech. It's a software as a service company specializing in AI for fintech. 200 million AI fintech company with $2 billion valuation since September 2022. It was founded in 2012 and is the first true software as a service solution in the field of AI-driven automated trading. Endotech helps retail and institutional investors harness the power of AI algorithms so that they can capitalize on market volatility. And they're currently providing AI trading systems for top financial institutions, hedge fund managers, and accredited investors. You can actually go directly to the Endotech website, and it's a $125,000 annual fee to connect with them and requires a $1 million minimum account balance. They're looking to have an IPO set for this year or perhaps even into 2024, and their target with DAISY is $500 million in assets under management. They are audited by one of the big four, Ernst & Young, meaning trade by trade, all activities are fully audited. They have a proven track record of high performance results, and hundreds of thousands of investors are now tapping into institutional grade solutions that was previously only accessible to quant hedge funds and large institutional investors. So what is their vision? It's to create the world's leading AI trading performance in multiple major financial markets. And right now, the fund is focused on Forex. And once that is accomplished, it will extend into other currencies. They also want to give the masses access to dependable high return trading systems, to you and I. And then as previously mentioned, Endotech is looking to have their IPO either this year or into next year with a target of $500 million in assets under management. So the question is, how are they going to accomplish all of this? Well, it's with an innovative and disruptive model using groundbreaking technology. So at this point, you've received a lot of information. So let's help connect the dots of where we're at. You've heard about Endotech, a multi-billion dollar trading company. You've heard about the incredible mind behind that company. And you've seen the phenomenal results with Forex. So what we are about to discuss now is how you as an investor can get access to this type of trading. And what you're about to see is the exclusive way to get access to Forex trading with Endotech. As I previously mentioned, you can go straight to the Endotech website if you're an accredited investor and get access to some of their strategies, but not in the Forex market where we're seeing phenomenal results. And with that in mind, what we're actually doing here is helping Endotech achieve one of their most promising projects in record time by helping quantum leap it to the finish line. And you watching this, including myself, we are collecting our capital, and Endotech is treating us like one of their institutional clients through a crowdfunding model. So what we're doing here is building a business community with a limitless future. So what is DAISY? Well, DAISY stands for Decentralized AI System, and we're actually going to be using blockchain technology to contribute. And if you're familiar with other crowdfunding models like the pioneers such as Kickstarter or GoFundMe, well, it has changed a lot since then. You saw the valuation of Endotech being over $2 billion since September 2022. And that's one of the nice things about this. This is equity crowdfunding. So not only do you get to receive the rewards and the types of rewards you just saw, you also get a piece of that company. You get to own a piece of Endotech. And the valuation of Endotech is climbing every month because of the brand awareness and the growth that's constantly happening. And you'll see some of those statistics here shortly of just how fast this program is growing. So DAISY is decentralized, meaning it's completely anonymous. There's no central location, and every transaction is fully visible, fully traceable, and transparent for your peace of mind. There is an in-depth white paper available, but really, this is a quest for the most advanced and successful artificial intelligence trading. And what that means for you is the types of returns you just saw earlier in the presentation, that is compounding, meaning your money is earning money and it completely is passive, which doesn't require any human intervention once you set your money to work. So what's the advantage of AI trading versus learning how to become a trader yourself? You might be asking or wondering. Well, first of all, learning to trade the markets can be profitable if you can cultivate elite levels of emotional discipline and really invest a ton of time and a lot of hours staring at price charts. Whereas with DAISY, we can get technology working for you. You can leverage the power of AI to compute vast amounts of data for you so you can sleep while your money is working. So we're leveraging the power of community to back breakthrough financial technologies using a business model where everyone wins with profits, equity, and income. So what are the benefits for you? And as we already mentioned, you get to own a piece of Endotech valued at over $2 billion, and they do over $100 million a year just from subscriptions from their institutional clients. You also receive AI trading rewards. Now, Forex is just the beginning with their AI trading rewards. Their goal is to diversify, so you will be able to diversify and reduce your risk by moving laterally into other financial markets as the AI rolls out and is developed in those markets. Now, DAISY's track record is as follows. There are currently over 2 million transactions. And if you don't know what smart contracts are, think of them as digital handshakes that don't require any human intervention. It's already coded when you contribute your risk capital to this project that you're backing. So you've done your research and believe in the project and are backing it to get it to the finish line. You're doing that through a smart contract, or another way of thinking about it is like a digital agreement. And this smart contract takes care of everything and sends the money where it's meant to go. Over 180,000 contributors have joined since January 2021. And actually, it's over 185,000 contributors from all around the world and 150 countries as of right now getting behind this project. This model is the most lucrative crowdfunding model ever to exist and has broken records in terms of the returns and rewards that have been paid out. Right now, over 140 million, and it's growing every single day. And 81 million has been taken off the table, and the rest has been left to compound and really grow their money. And this crypto AI launched in January 2021, whereas the Forex AI launched April 2022. So the DAISY equity crowdfunding model. This model allows you to contribute to the development of Endotech's trading AI to receive profit rewards and equity in Endotech by contributing to either both the crypto AI or Forex AI categories. Now, with regards to the crypto AI category, see, crypto is still in its infancy and is very volatile, as you may have noticed. We're not exposed to the volatility of crypto in this project. We're simply using blockchain technology to contribute to the project. So keep that in mind. There are 10 levels to your contribution. It's available for as low as 100 USDT, and there's no cap to which you can contribute. And 70% of your contribution goes towards live trading in the Forex, and the other 30% goes towards your piece of Endotech. And Endotech has set aside 5% of their company for us here in the crowdfunding community. So you get to keep 70% of all trading rewards. Endotech does that also with their institutional clients as well. And they only make money if you make money. So they have an incredible incentive to make this as powerful as possible. And they charge their performance fee of 30% every 6 months or twice a year. And you have a full 6 months before you get billed that performance fee of 30%, and you keep the 70% of all trading rewards. This is groundbreaking for any type of crowdfunding model to keep so much of the profits from the growth of the project. Absolutely incredible. And contributors are also rewarded with their share of the 5% equity prior to going public. Now, we don't have to go into too much detail here because this is all in the step-by-step videos once you've made an informed decision and decide to get involved. And in those step-by-step videos, we break this down in a very simple way to comprehend and guide you on what you need to do. But if you just quickly look along the left side, the minimum here is $100 USDT. And each tier of contribution then doubles from the previous in sequential order, and it goes as high as tier 10 for a grand total of $102,000. Now, along the right side, you can see how many shares of Endotech you will receive based on each tier contribution. Now, here again, we are just going to recap the gains based on DAISY's live trading performance to date. There's now 116 million and more total contributions by members who have come in, and we've crossed $250 million in the Forex Trading Fund. So what this all means to you is that you get to be a part of this. It's already been refined. Now, we can't give guarantees, of course, but it's quite possible that performance will get even better over time as the quant scientists decide to cut away trading strategies that just aren't performing well. Then that capital will get reallocated to the best performance producing strategies. Now, on this trajectory, again, no guarantees can ever be given, but you can see there at the bottom that the annualized return, or APY, is already at 737.75%. One full calendar year is going to be coming up in April, and then we'll know exactly what that number will look like. So we're talking here about taking your money, your risk capital, and multiplying it without needing to get involved yourself, and being able to free yourself up and leverage your time and get not only decades of Endotech experience, but their entire team of professionals working for you. You can leverage all of that. And all of this is streamlined and perfected every second that goes by, to the point where you can take your money and put it to work for you, or at least working as hard for you as you work for your own money. So now we understand this is a lot of information given to you, but hopefully we've been able to help give you an overview of what this DAISY Equity crowdfunding project is, what you can possibly receive in rewards, and we look forward to seeing you leverage the power of AI to receive incredibly profitable returns, all done passively. At the link that's currently up on the screen here, there is an in-depth step-by-step tutorial on how to access your TronLink wallet, which you'll need to access DAISY, how to sign up for the DAISY program, and then how to contribute to the tier that you want to join. And lastly, we have a WhatsApp group with the link in the description below that you're welcome to join and ask any questions you may have. We look forward to seeing you there.